Assalamu Alaikum, my name is Shumas. You are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will do a small introduction about conduction, convection and radiations. So, what is conduction? Conduction happens mostly in solids. If you are having a solid and in this solid you are having atoms, so when you will heat, this atom will vibrate, and when this will vibrate, it will transfer its kinetic energy to this molecule, and then this, and then this. So due to these vibrational motions of atoms, the energy that is transferred, that is called conduction. So it happens mostly in solids. When we talk of convection, in convection I will take the same example as in convection. Convection happens mostly in solids and gas, so I will take a liquid. But what will happen when I will heat this container? When as soon as this molecule of water will gain heat or energy, so we know that for fluids, gases, or in liquids, when we heat them, the density density decreases. As soon as we heat, its density will water molecules density will decrease, and it will leave its place and move to the top. So now another cold molecule from here will come to occupy its space. So this is called convection, and this is called natural convection, because when we will heat, the molecule will gain heat and the density will increase, and they will leave their place and move to the top of the container. So in this way, the heat is uniformly transferred. In convection, you will see that the molecule will transfer from one place to another to transfer heat. While in the case of radiations, it is due to the rays and wavelength dependent. So if we will take the example of sun, from sun you will see that energy in the form of rays comes to the earth. So here it is medium independent. So now in heat transfer, we will mainly focus on these two phenomena, that are conduction and convection. So I will wrap up this video with the example that our teacher had given in the class, that if you are having fire, I am having less space and water is present over here. So now if there are 10 men or 10 students in the class, what will be the more efficient way? The more efficient way to put off this fire is that they make a line, and this person will have a bucket in his hand, and it will fill, if they are having 10 buckets, suppose, and 10 persons are there, so this man will fill the bucket and transfer to this man this and this and this, and in this way they will be able to extinguish the fire in a very easy way. So that is conduction. Conduction is always very efficient, and that thing happens in conduction. So always conduction is an efficient mode of heat transfer. So the other case is that these 10 students fill their buckets and run, all of them simultaneously run towards the fire, throw their water here, and then again simultaneously run to gain more water. So that is a very haphazard way of extinguishing the fire. So that thing happens in convection. So inshallah I will make also the last thing, that are the laws. So the laws that are that convection deals with, the law in which we deal convection is Fourier's law of heat conduction. For convection we are having Newton's law of cooling, and for radiation we are having Stifel-Boltzmann law, and I will make separate videos on these three laws as well as the modes of heat transfer. So I hope you like the video. Inshallah meet you in another video. Assalamu Alaikum.